Hi, everybody. My name is Dennis Nguyen. I'm the founder, chairman, and CEO of Society Pass Incorporated, and we're building the next generation digital ecosystem and loyalty platform in Southeast Asia. The company was founded in June 2018, and we completed our IPO on NASDAQ under the stock symbol of SOPA on November 9th, 2021. A month later, we subsequently joined the Russell 2000. We are currently based in Singapore and operate in all of Southeast Asia, principally the countries of Vietnam, Indonesia, Philippines, Singapore, and Thailand. Now, Society Pass Incorporated is an acquisition-focused e-commerce holding company operating 6 interconnected verticals: loyalty, lifestyle, digital media, telecoms, and of course, travel, connecting millions of consumers and hundreds of thousands of merchants throughout Southeast Asia. In fact, since we have incorporated, we have onboarded over 3.3 million registered users, over 200,000 registered brands and merchants, up from a revenue base of nil on September 5th, 2021. We generated over 500,000 US dollars in the last 3.5 months of 2021. For 2022, we are looking to generate north of that. And according to various research reports, looking at generate somewhere between 7 million to 10 million US dollars in sales for 2022. We're very active in social media. We have over 100,000 LinkedIn followers, close to 100,000 Facebook followers, Twitter followers, and so on and so forth. Our executive team, of course, is based in Singapore and all of Southeast Asia. A little bit about myself: I've taken 6 companies. Previously, I've taken 5 companies public. Society Pass, of course, is the 6th company I've taken public. My entire career, of course, has been in investment banking and venture capital, all throughout Asia, Hong Kong, Shanghai, Singapore, and of course, Vietnam. Ray Liang, of course, is our CFO. He is based in Singapore. He was a CFO of a public company in Singapore, and very much runs the entire finance team. Pamela Aoyang is our group COO, and Rokas Sidlauskas is our group CMO. Very proud to say that close to half of our 20-member executive team are female, and over half of our employees are female. Very, very, very proud to say that as a technology company. We operate in 6 verticals. Effectively, what we do is we opportunistically acquire attractively valued companies in Southeast Asia by synergistically generating additional revenue streams, optimize efficiencies for our merchants, and more cost-effectively aggregate consumers and merchants through synchronized marketing campaigns. Our 6 verticals, of course, are loyalty, lifestyle, food and beverage, telecoms, digital media, and of course, travel. With our loyalty platform, we beta launched a loyalty platform, Society Pass, in June of 2022. We expect to hard launch Society Pass in the first quarter of 2023. With our universal open loop loyalty platform, we create permanent customer loyalty, generate revenues for our merchants, and of course, replace cash discounting. Our single UI UX platform integrates with other SOPA ecosystem business units. As a result, our digital wallet allows users to pay for goods and services by scanning QR codes and settling payment via credit card, debit card, or Society points. Consumers can earn and redeem Society points at any merchant in any country on our SOPA ecosystem and pay for such goods and services in-store, online, app, via website. You can redeem Society points for other goods and services. So very excited about bringing this up in the first quarter of 2023. Our second vertical is digital media. We acquired a company called Thoughtful Media in August of 2021. Thoughtful Media is one of the leading influencer advertising companies in Southeast Asia. It's based in Thailand. Currently, Thoughtful Media offers over 200 channels on YouTube. In fact, in 2021, generated over 5.8 million US dollars in sales. Very much looking to really build out Thoughtful with the rise of social media and social commerce. Thoughtful Media, of course, we intend to enter Vietnam, Philippines, and Indonesia. We expect a very, very busy 2023. There's a number of initiatives that we're talking and building out, including live shopping, live streaming shopping. We intend to use our blockchain and Web3 technology to be able to create and curate new user interfaces that allow shoppers to directly interact with influencers. Very excited about Thoughtful Media. Our third vertical, travel. We acquired Nusatrip, which is one of the leading online travel agents, online travel platforms, in fact, in Southeast Asia. It's a company based in Indonesia, and we are very much excited to bring Nusatrip onto our ecosystem. Nusatrip allows us access to more than 500 airlines and over 200,000 hotels throughout the world. And so with Nusatrip, we are taking that and we are going to be integrating that onto our Society Pass ecosystem, circulating our society points and allowing passengers to redeem and earn loyalty points. Gorilla is our telecoms vertical. We acquired Gorilla Networks in June of 2022. Gorilla, of course, is the world's first blockchain and Web3 enabled MVNO. Allows us to offer a contract-free on-demand mobile services such as NFTs. Users, of course, can convert unused mobile data into digital assets. We call them Gorilla tokens. Through our proprietary blockchain switchback feature, Gorilla allows users to fully utilize unused mobile data to switch for various e-vouchers, offset future bills, and redeem other mobile services. Currently, we are only in Singapore, but we are going to be expanding Gorilla Network throughout the rest of Southeast Asia. LaFlare heads our lifestyle vertical. We acquired LaFlare back in February 2021. We spent 7 months rebuilding the platform. And then on September 21, up from a revenue base of 0 on September 5th, LaFlare generated close to $500,000 of sales in the final 3.5 months of 2021. LaFlare is really growing very quickly this year. And Society Pass has announced in April that we intend to spin out LaFlare into its own separate NASDAQ listed company in 2023. Our food and beverage delivery space, we acquired 3 companies in the second and third quarters of 2021. Pushcart, which is, of course, a grocery delivery app out of Philippines. Handycart, which is a restaurant delivery app out of Vietnam. And then Mangan, that is a restaurant delivery app out of Philippines. And so with these three food and beverage delivery apps, we are building the Instacart and DoorDash of Southeast Asia. Very excited about where our food and beverage delivery vertical is coming in. In fact, our food and beverage delivery vertical brought in 600,000 registered users. That's on top of the travel verticals of 1.2 million registered users, and the lifestyle vertical 1.5 million registered users. As you can tell, we're very strong financially. We have grown $10,000. We recognized $10,000 in sales in 2019, $50,000 in sales in 2020, over $500,000 in sales in 2021, and in 2022, according to various research reports, we intend to generate somewhere between $7 to $10 million US dollars in sales. Currently, we have $25 million US dollars of cash on the balance sheet. no debt, with a share price of $1.50 and 22 million shares roughly outstanding. That implies of the $1.50 share price that currently is trading at, $1.20 is in pure cash. Effectively, investors can buy the entire company with 30 cents. And so we are very much growing. We are getting, we expect to get to break even status by the first quarter 2023. Okay. Investment highlights. There's really 4 investment highlights. We've built a powerful and integrated technology ecosystem that has integrated 6 unique verticals: loyalty, lifestyle, food and beverage, travel, digital media, and of course, telecoms. We have beta launched a unique loyalty program called Society Points in the second quarter of 2022. We expect to hard launch that in the first quarter of 2023 with our Society Pass, Society Points loyalty platform. We intend to replace cash discounting and create permanent customer stickiness. Third, we operate in some of the world's most attractive markets, Southeast Asia. Across Southeast Asia in 2022, we expect GDP growth of somewhere between 4% to 7% across Southeast Asia. In fact, it's one of the very few markets that are still growing in 2022. And then, of course, last but not least, Society Pass is led by a very experienced management team that have possessed more than 150 years of on-the-ground operational marketing, software development, legal, and financial experience in local Asia markets. We have intimate knowledge of how to operate here. We're also female-led and female-managed. 50% of our employees are female. And the C-suite executives possess solid track records of building companies and creating shareholder value over the last 20, 25 years in Asia. And so with that, thank you very much. Again, my name is Dennis Nguyen. I am the founder, chairman, CEO of Society Pass Incorporated. Very much thank you for your time, and thank you for taking a look at our Society Pass. Thank you very much.